I received this set of heavy-duty storage straps from Rapid, and they're so useful and practical. These all have a rust-resistant grommet, and they're also very heavy-duty with a hook and loop closure. And this is useful for so many things, from garden hoses, extension cords, Christmas lights. You can even hold your watering can, a leaf blower, and so much more, and just put it on an S-hook or a nail, or even on a pegboard in your garage. How awesome is that? Very useful indeed. Let me show you how easy it is to use. So it will hold up to 50 pounds. And this is how you would do it. You would get your extension cord and open it up just like this. And then you're going to loop it around. And then you just put it together. Simple as that. And look how nice and heavy duty this is. Get all your stuff off the floor and put it vertically. That will save you so much room and helps with organization too. Doesn't this look nice? Imagine doing this with all your items. And this is useful for so many things, from your air pressure nozzle hose to jumper cables, Christmas lights, cables, hoses, ropes too. Just so many different uses, and it's so nice in a variety of sizes. This would also make a great gift. Let me show you a close-up of what it looks like. And this is what the 10-inch heavy-duty storage strap looks like. It also has a lip right here, so you can easily pull it apart and wrap up what's needed. And this is a close-up of the hook and loop closure. Then you just attach it, and you're ready to hang it up on your wall in this grommet. Simple as that. And this is what the 13-inch looks like. Very nice and very heavy duty. And this is what the 17-inch one looks like. And look how thick and durable this is. This should last for many years to come. And look how strong this is. My husband needed this for the garage for all his tools and hoses. This is going to be so ideal. He's even going to be able to hold his leaf blower off the ground. How awesome is that? These are so heavy duty and very nice that they're weather resistant too, so you can use them indoors as well as outdoors too. This would make a great gift for somebody handy in your life. Definitely recommend it. Thank you so much for watching and hope you found this video helpful.